Today we are making, me and AJ, there's AJ.
And there's Daddy and Blake.
Daddy and Blake. Peach Cobbler Cheesecake. Cooking with Aisha yet again.
I'm not helping Blake.
Where's Blake? Oh, here's Blake.
Yeah. No. No.
All right, so they're going to help me.
Girls on me, on the dance floor, all eyes on me. Who is he? Then you better come get your girl dog. All eyes on me, party like a rock star. You can find me in VIP. All eyes on me, yeah, where the girls are. This is how your night should be. All eyes on me, all eyes on the prize. Money super size, G5 super fly, should be supervised.
If this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe. There's Arthur back there. Mima's in the kitchen. We're all in the kitchen.
You know when you said, no, they're not? We're the only ones who could hear that, not them.
Oh, there's the little thing that was bleeding when you got hit with the salt. Thank you for coming. We're about to get into it. I'm sweating profusely. We got the graham cracker crust, the cream cheese with a little bit of sugar and lemon already in it.
I wish I could break a big piece off.
This is premium peach fruit filling. They were out of peaches, but we still added a little brown sugar. We're going to add the crumbles on top, mix it up, put it in the pie crust, and have cheesecake cobbler.
No.
Okay.
I tried it, yeah. No.
What?
No, I'm not tasting.
I'm not tasting that thing right there. Oh, what is it?
That's called cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
Blake likes that. And she likes stack.
I don't.
Can you get your fingers out of the cream cheese? Don't put it back in. Should use. But I'm mashing all the seasonings together, y'all. But I'm gonna let him get his muscles behind it, okay? So bear with me.
Thank you, sir.
3 handfuls of the sugar, okay, y'all? Still whisking. So I've got my brown sugar and my peach filling with a little brown sugar, nutmeg, and we're just gonna stir this up, you guys. I like peaches in juice or peaches with no juice. So this has filling, so we'll see how it goes. Cobbler crisp mix, called for a smidget of water. It's called crisp mix. I've added the water and it turns into a paste. So I'm going to just sprinkle this on top of our peaches, on top of our cream cheese once we lay that down. Okay, you guys, Arthur whisked up our cream cheese with lemon juice and sugar. We talked about this wooden bowl before. Take it right into the graham cracker crust is what Cooking with Aisha said. Bless her channel. Seems like she has a large following on Facebook. Be sure to get by her house and tell her Carter's Eat sent you. I won't waste y'all's time with the details, but somebody's gonna lick that. Most definitely. Okay, so we're gonna spread this out. Mother's asking, where do the peaches go? I know y'all want to see her name. Okay. Water to my crumble mix. It turns into a glaze. So we're just going to sprinkle the crumbles right on top. Because all it called for was water. So by the time we put that juice filler on there, that'll turn it into the crumbles that we're calling for. Now we're going to up a little bit. I hate that gel. I hate it. Call it filler. I know y'all call it that. I know, but I don't like it. Gives me the heebie-jeebies. Mm-hmm. It's Mother's Day weekend, but I want this video to last for more than just Mother's Day, so that's why I haven't mentioned it. But me and Mima get to have whatever we want this weekend, so this is what I want. And then we're going to come behind it. Okay, you guys, we're going to finish off this Food Line brand crisp mix. Going to make it nice and crispy. Y'all know in the Tamar Braxton Peach Cobbler, we use parquet on top of the cake mix. We're not going that route. We're doing somebody else's recipe, so I'm trying to do what the girl said do. Okay? So she can't, good Lord, my mother just burped in the whole video. They probably could. So I'm going to sprinkle some on top. And then she poured butter on top. I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm not going to do the butter. Some of the crisp mix that's glazed, I put my little teaspoon of water and look what it turned into. So there's your mix. I'm just going to drop it on top throughout and let it get real clunky and chunky. Once it's in the oven, y'all know what we bake it on. What do we bake it on? 350. Everything's on 350. But let me tell you, I keep tasting this crisp mix. You don't need any butter on it. It's so good. So I'll let you see it when it comes out the oven. We'll be right back to you. There she is. And I don't want to move it. So we're going to do about 15 minutes on 350, you guys. And I'll let you see it plated up shortly, okay? I'm going to spread that out some more. Needless to say, there's all your crumble with water. It's going to really make a lot of crumbs on top. So let's see the finished product shortly. Pregnant. Mima might be pregnant. She can't stay awake. Y'all ready to see the pie? Sealy hairs on Front Street. Don't look. Are you ready to see the cheesecake peach cobbler? Okay, here we go. Ooh. Welcome to Carter's. I'm going to cut into it, plate it up, and we'll see how she tastes. Look at the layers of goodness in there.
No.
Okay. Cooking with Aisha. Let's see. What say you? Oh my. Ooh. Tasting the peach cobbler. Wow. Absolutely perfect, y'all.
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne.